Welcome to our interview preparation series. And today's question is, do you have any question for me? Asking thoughtful questions can leave a positive impression and demonstrate your enthusiasm. What is the importance of this question? With the help of this question, the interviewer gives you a chance to show your interest in the role, learn more about the company, and determine if it is the right fit for you. Let us understand how to answer this question. First, research the company thoroughly, understand their mission, values, culture, and recent achievements. This will help you formulate relevant questions. Next, prepare thoughtful questions that show your genuine interest in the role and company. Focus on topics like team structure, company culture, opportunities for growth, and challenges the company is facing. When asking your questions, show genuine interest and curiosity, and this demonstrates that you are invested in understanding the company and in the role you are applied for. Do's. Focus on expectation and ask genuine questions. Ask about team structure, career path, etc. Express thanks with smile. Don'ts. Don't say, I don't have any questions. Don't ask about salary or benefits. Avoid self-centered questions. Let's put it all together with an example. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I would like to know about job timing. Where will be the job location? What could be the salary range for this job in your organization? Can you tell me more about the team I will be working with? How do you measure success for this position? How does the company support professional development and career growth? Can you describe the company culture and work environment? What is the career path for this role? What are the next steps in the interview process? What are the main goals and priorities for the department over the next 6 months or quarter? And that's it. Remember, research the company, prepare thoughtful questions, and show genuine interest. Asking insightful questions can make a lasting impression and help you determine if the company is the right fit for you. Practicing your questions will help you deliver it confidently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe, and comment below with your own tips or questions. Thank you.